5:17 now, time to connect the dots when we make the news make sense. Soaring temperatures, rising bills, and a shortage of cool relief air conditioning is about to get a lot more expensive this summer.
If you need a new AC, prepare to pay more. Let's connect the dots. Contractors say costs have climbed 80% since the pandemic, with new tariffs, labor shortages, and pricier materials all piling on. A shortage of eco-friendly refrigerant has driven up prices even more. Most air conditioners use imported parts, and new tariffs on goods from China and Mexico are raising costs across the board. Some components that were $1,000 last March could hit $1,400 by September. All this comes as forecasters warn of a hotter-than-average summer, with electricity bills expected to hit a 12-year high. With supply chains strained and some manufacturers struggling to keep up, delays and fewer choices are the new normal. Contractors are stockpiling what they can, but supplies are already running low. If your AC breaks, expect to pay more and wait longer. And that's connecting the dots.